Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this moo avatar decoration on Discord. It's super cute, it's free, you just need to watch a video. It only lasts for 2 months, but that's just how the avatar decoration works on Discord. Please do not come for me in the comments, because that's just the way Discord is with free avatar decorations. You'll get new ones every month. They'll have new quests, so you can change it every few months anyways. So if you go here to discover, if you go to quests here, it says claim a moo hood avatar decoration for 2 months, and you just need to watch the video, and I'll be back when I've watched the whole video. So start video quests first and authorize yourself and just watch the video. Then you are just going to select claim reward here, authorize again, and voila, you got this super cute moo head decoration. You can just select use now if you want to use it now, or you can later adjust that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!